What is attraction? You know how much I get this question? So today I'm going to tell you what is attraction and how to actually build it. So the first thing we have to understand is that what creates attraction? Because attraction is an effect of something. For example, when we clap, so the sound that you hear is the effect of a cause, and the cause is striking of two objects. So like a sound is produced because of striking of two objects, same way attraction is produced because of some cause. What is that cause? So let's just say if this is the South Pole and it is lonely over here, no other polarity is around the South Pole, there will be no attraction. And now let's just say this is North Pole and there is no other polarity, there is no South Pole near to this North Pole, there will be no attraction. Okay. But what will happen if a North Pole comes in contact with the South Pole? They don't even have to work now. It's their nature to attract. That's the North and South Pole. North Pole is Giacomo Casanova. That means to create attraction, we need to focus on what is causing attraction. Because attraction is the effect of polarity. So what is polarity? Polarity is when two opposite poles come in contact with each other, so they attract. If there is feminine and masculine, there will be attraction. Here is the problem. Whenever men go to a woman whom they really like and they want something to happen over there, they never go to talk to this woman as a man to a woman. They never go with the polarity. Instead, they show off their money because they got their idea of creating attraction from Bollywood, from movies, that you need to be like James Bond, you know?
James Bond.
Bond.
Bond. Bond.
Bond.
Bond.
James Bond.
You need to look a little bit angry. You need to have such a good physique. So the thing is that guys think that having a lot of money, having a good look, or having high status can get them women. But all of this is untrue. Behavior gets you women. So this is where we come to the point that how to create attraction. So to create attraction, you know that you have to create a polarity. You have to create a man to woman frame. Most of the times guys approach women whom they like as a friend to friend or a brother to sister. So they get friend zone or they get bro zone, but they never get that woman. And you know why? Because they do not even understand that woman. They don't even know what is attraction. So to create a man to woman polarity, there are 5 sub-communications that you need. Now what are sub-communications? Let's just say I'm looking at you right now. So this eye contact is the first sub-communication. So let's just say now I'm talking to you without looking at you. Now I'm not even looking at you, I'm looking here and there. How does this feel like? Do you feel like just scrolling this video? I know that's how it is because I am not engaging you. So that means I don't actually need words to engage your mind. I just need to look at you to engage you. But this is what guys lack in them. The second sub-communication is the proximity. How close are you standing to the woman that you like? Guys are afraid of standing close to a woman. You know why? Sexual shame again. See guys, understand one thing. The distance between you and that woman, that distance is what we call as lack of intimacy. Whenever I teach guys in my bootcamps or immersion about this whole game and I ask them to go and talk to this woman, they cannot just stand close to her. Even if she's liking this guy, he just cannot go close to her. And when he comes back to me, I ask him, is it difficult for you to kiss your mother on the cheek? Is it difficult for you to hug your mother? And he's like, yeah. You know what I came to know? He cannot stand close to this woman because he has sexual shame. And it is so deeply rooted inside him that he cannot even kiss the mother on the cheek because he has shame regarding to it. He thinks kissing his mother on the cheek is sexual. This is the reason he is not having a stable and good relationship with any woman in his life. He always gets friend zone or he gets bro zone, but he never was able to attract a woman in his life. So there are actually 5 sub-communication. I just told you the 2 of them, but I'm not going to tell you that because that's what I get paid for. So if you want to know more about this shit, how to create attraction, how to create this sub-communication, then join my upcoming mastermind course.